Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify Plus for enterprise e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. To begin your Shopify Plus journey, start by signing up for a Shopify Plus account. Visit the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill out the necessary fields, including your business email and details about your enterprise. Once registered, you'll be prompted to choose a store name that reflects your brand. After creating your store, access the Shopify Plus dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various sections such as orders, products, and customers. Next, set up your payment gateways by navigating to Settings and then Payment Providers. Select the payment options that suit your business needs, and make sure to complete any necessary account verifications. Now, it's time to customize your store's design. Select a theme that matches your brand identity from the Shopify theme store. Customize the theme by modifying colors, fonts, and layout options to create a unique shopping experience. After customizing the design, move on to adding products to your store. Click on the Products tab and select Add Product to input details for each item. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and pricing information to attract customers. Consider using product variants for sizes or colors to enhance user experience. Next, configure your shipping settings. In the Settings menu, select Shipping and set your shipping zones and rates based on your target markets. Once your products are set up and your shipping is configured, focus on setting up key apps. Browse the Shopify App Store for tools that support your enterprise goals, like inventory management, CRM, or marketing solutions. Integrate these applications by following the installation instructions provided. Now, prepare for launch by conducting thorough testing. Place test orders to ensure that your payment processor and fulfillment are working correctly. Check the responsiveness of your site across different devices, such as desktops and mobile phones. Finally, set up your marketing strategies. Utilize Shopify Plus features such as customer segmentation for personalized marketing campaigns. Leverage integrations with social media platforms to drive traffic and boost sales. After launching your store, monitor its performance using analytics tools. Track your sales, customer behavior, and overall site performance using Shopify's built-in analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.